In this video, we'll guide you through the common types of brushes used for cleaning. Brushes are essential tools for removing dirt and grime from various surfaces. They can also help protect delicate items from damage during cleaning. Whether you're cleaning your home, car, or workplace, using the correct brush can make the task much easier and more effective. Bristle brushes are ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks such as removing rust, paint, and grime from surfaces. The bristles can be made from natural or synthetic materials. Natural bristle brushes come from animal hair and are great for dry cleaning, while synthetic bristles are more durable and can be used in wet environments. Scrub brushes are designed for deep cleaning and removing tough stains from floors, walls, and other surfaces. They are available in various shapes and sizes, including handheld and long-handled options. Some scrub brushes come with attachments for hard-to-reach areas, making them a versatile tool for any cleaning task. Detail brushes are small and delicate, making them ideal for cleaning narrow and hard-to-reach areas. They are perfect for cleaning corners, crevices, and other small nooks and crannies. Detail brushes are often used for cleaning electronics, keyboards, and other delicate items that could be damaged by other types of cleaning brushes. Toothbrushes are the perfect tool for cleaning small and hard-to-reach areas. They are also great for cleaning tight spaces where other brushes can't reach. Toothbrushes can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks, from scrubbing grout to cleaning jewelry. In conclusion, choosing the right brush for the job can make all the difference when it comes to cleaning. Whether you're tackling tough stains or dusting delicate items, there is a brush designed to do the job. We hope this guide has been helpful and you now have a better understanding of the common types of brushes used for cleaning.